Now, Storm Team meteorologist Kate Thornton with Central New York's most accurate forecast.
All right, good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. We got a live view right now from the CAB-V Skynet 9 camera in Oswego. We are pretty quiet, Oswego County, one of those really hard-hit spots over the weekend with all the snow. Well, now temperatures are about to warm up a bit this week, so the race is on to get things kind of cleared out as snow melt will continue this week. Right now, it's well below freezing, though, so we don't have to worry about that just yet. It is 24 in Oswego, 28 in Fayetteville, 28 in Waterloo as well at the moment. So here's what's going on in the big picture. A couple systems nearby. The one that's kind of moving into Chicago right now, that's what's going to give us a little bit of rain and possibly even a wintry mix for some of us to the north and east later on today. Pretty quiet at the moment on the radar, but we are expecting to pick up about a quarter inch to possibly even as much as a half inch of rainfall in some spots. On top of that, we're ending as a little bit of snow. There could even be some wet snow and possibly some freezing rain mixing in. Jefferson, Lewis, Oneida counties, we do have a winter weather advisory beginning later this afternoon. Rain is moving in here between about 2 and 4 o'clock, but there could even be some freezing rain where you see the pinks here. That's the best chance of seeing possibly a glaze of ice, mostly up in the St. Lawrence River Valley and up into the Tug Hill. In Syracuse, things are quiet, though. We have a cloudy start to our day, and our temperatures, we're getting into the mid-30s this afternoon, so above freezing, and just we'll notice more and more the snow melt, so a lot of slushiness going on today. When you have that rain coming in on top of milder temperatures, I mean, it's going to be quite wet and slushy. So waterproof shoes, the boots, all a really good idea. Between 2 and 4, rain moving in a little steady at times for that evening commute. You look up to our north and to our east, so you see the pinks mixing in with the purples. That's that freezing rain mix going on that we're watching out for tonight. When this system pulls out of here tomorrow morning, that colder air is rushing in and we'll change over to some snow. If you didn't learn your lesson yesterday, well, here's a reminder. You only need a coating of snow to make things pretty slippery. It was very slick and sloppy mid-afternoon yesterday, and that was with less than an inch of snow. We're expecting a similar setup tomorrow morning, but then by tomorrow afternoon, things are pretty quiet. But less than an inch for a lot of you. Maybe some spots in the higher elevations, you'll pick up maybe an inch or two, but that's about it. But still, we are going to watch out for kind of a slick and sloppy start to our day tomorrow. Ending on a drier note, Thursday looking really nice. We should even see some afternoon sun, dry 40s before we have milder weather, but it comes with rain on Friday into Saturday.
Download the WSYR Plus app on your TV to stream News Channel 9 for free. Just go to your smart TV, search WSYR Plus in the App Store, and download to start streaming today.